taking a closer look at the essential things that we have in our overnight pack. This is a continuation of the essential things in our day pack video. So if you haven't seen that, just click here somewhere. You can go back and see that video first. I think you should do that because we're just going to add on to that video basically. So hope you enjoy. Before we begin though, I would like to address the people in the comments section in the previous video of the essential things I bring in my day pack. A lot of you mentioned the first aid kit, and I deliberately didn't bring it up because I wanted to give myself an opportunity to display or show emphasis on how important it is to bring it with you. It's not that I forgot it. This is your mistake, obviously, because I clearly stated in the title of that video what I have in my backpack. So you're trying to tell me that you have your first aid kit in your backpack? What if you lose your backpack though? What if you fall and you can't get to your backpack? It's not good. Me, I got it here. I've had it here the entire time. You see that? So yeah, we're always ready to use. I don't think anyone bought into that. No, I totally forgot it. You guys are so right. Thank you for mentioning it. And of course, this is an essential piece of kit that you should have with you, even if you're just going out for a day hike. Not for yourself only, obviously primarily for yourself if you were to end up in a situation where you might need it. But also a great benefit of having it with you is, of course, the ability to help other people if you need to do that. So I'm very thankful that you guys reminded me of the mistakes that I made. Hopefully there will be no such mistakes in this video, and if you were to find them, please let me know. All right, now let's get into it. We should mention also what's in the first aid kit. I actually tucked in a space blanket because there was another comment about a space blanket, so this is a really great thing to have in your first aid kit as well, so I'm very happy that you mentioned that. And then I would say it's just pretty much basic first aid kit stuff. So after the first aid kit, you might have noticed that I brought a different backpack with me. This is slightly larger than the Keb Hike 30. This is the Keb 52. This is the perfect backpack for overnighters or even a multi-day trek in warmer climate, I would say. And you can also tell that I have the sleeping pad or the sleeping mat. This is from Thermarest. This works great as a sitting pad as well. This is really comfortable because I fold it up many times. Or, like I mentioned in the previous video, you can fold it out and many people can use it at the same time. So this time we're actually going to start from the bottom just to faster show you guys what the difference is between the day pack and an overnight pack, at least for me. Obviously, again, I bring all the things that I brought with me on my day hike or the day pack. They're also in here, plus some extra things. So first up there, we have sleeping bag. This is very lightweight, small. This is for summertime, so not for now. Second up is the little home I got. This is the Misc View 2. Lovely tent, self-staggering, so you can place it up pretty much anywhere. And then I am a terrible sleeper, as you guys know, hopefully by now. I have the big sleeping pad with me that's very comfortable for me. I sleep on the side, so this makes a huge difference for me. This is my sleep kit bag. This also doubles as a inflatable bag, so you can inflate the sleeping pad if you want to do that. There's also a built-in there that you guys showed me how it works, so that's very thankful for that as well. So in here I got a really thick pair of socks, have a travel sheet. It makes a lot of difference for me, at least. It makes me feel more at home, and because I'm not used to the fabric of the sleeping bag, so this makes a huge difference for me. Let me know in the comments if you ever had a chance to try this. This is a really old, worn out pillowcase. The benefit of this one is that you can just tuck all your other clothes in here and make a really comfortable pillow, so I highly recommend bringing one of these. It's obviously lightweight and yeah, doesn't take up any room, so this is a really nice thing to bring with you. Luxury again. 2 inflatable pillows. I sleep on the side, so I keep one pillow between my leg. And last but not least, I have a head torch or a headlamp, depending on what part of the world you are and how you like to say it. You might not want to keep this one in the deep end of the backpack. You might want to keep it in the top lid. I totally understand if you do. I usually do that too, depending on what time of year I'm out. But yeah, I just put it here now so I didn't forget it. Up here, rain pants, you've seen that. Axe. This is a really small axe, but it packs a big punch. I think it's a great item to have with me. I wouldn't say it's the same as a big axe, but it still does the job, at least for me. I'm not out to cut down the entire wood. I just want to chop up some minor pieces. This is perfect for that. The benefit obviously here is that in the entire time it doesn't weigh as much as a big axe. So yeah, this is the, there's a review on the channel, so you can take a closer look at this one if you want to do that. This is the Nordic pocket saw, small chainsaw that if you want to cut down bigger pieces, you can do that with this one. Or you have the Baco Laplander. I know a lot of people out there use this one. This is a really good tool as well. Here's the fire kit. I think that was an explosion there in the background. And in there I have my knife, showing you that before. Fire, steel, really important to bring with you, and you know, some cotton and some fat wood, and just, you know, there's a piece of string as well. I am really concerned about safety and surviving. So yeah, I got all those little things there just to feel a little bit more safe. Show you gloves and gaiters and stuff like that. Here's a different thing that I didn't show you in the day pack. This is a ground sheet for the tent. If you're putting it out on wet ground like it is outside now pretty much everywhere, this is a really nice addition. It helps to protect from sticks, stones, and all that stuff that could damage the footprint of the tent. So this comes pretty cheap. A new tent bottom is pretty expensive, so highly recommend bringing one of these. Doesn't take up much room, and yeah, this also doubles a little bit as a space blanket if you're really in a mess. Have the tarp, shown you guys that before. You can obviously bring that if you're doing an overnighter as well, just to get that extra protection, or just extend the sort of living area from your tent. So this is a great addition to that as well. Same again, bring the trash bag. We talked about that in the previous video. There's no difference here. Another thing that I bring with me from time to time, depending on the location where I'm camping or setting up my tent, I bring a, this is a water bag, it's 15 liters, so it's really nice just to dip it down, fill it up. It goes super fast, and then you don't need to go down to the water source all the time. And if you're staying in a spot overnight, you might want to use a lot of water in case you're doing dishes or just washing yourself up, brushing your teeth, you know, all those things. I'm not really sure about the order of things here, but yeah, we got ourselves a home and we're warm and everything is good to go so far. Next up, got a small stove with me for the overnighter. We're gonna cook a couple of meals when we are out like this, so this is a perfect kit for that. It doesn't take up the entire backpack, and you get water boiling really fast. Again, I used portion sizes from Real or Real Turmat that you saw before. This is the perfect setup to use in combination with those. This one is half a liter here, and yeah, get everything done in a really quick and nice way. Next up, I have a waterproof bag with my warm clothes. If I need to change clothes in case it was a rainy day or something like that, you have everything nice and securely tucked away in here, and everything in here is obviously gonna stay dry. That's the most important thing. Besides clothes in this one, I also have a towel, a pack down towel. It's really lightweight. Really nice to have you with you if you decide to take a swim or take a shower or whatever you do. It's always nice to have a towel with you. Here we got food, snacks, extra things this time. Got more energy things if we're going for a longer distance. You might want to fuel up a little bit. Breakfast also, of course, in the morning. Nasty chocolate still there, haven't eaten it. This is the Platypus water camelback water, you know what I mean. You can strap this on your backpack so you can sip some water from time to time. This is 2 liters. I really like bringing something like this, depending again how warm it is outside, where you're going, will there be water there. This allows you to carry more water and easy access. You don't need to stop to drink and all those things, so could make a huge difference, again, depending on where you are. That was it for the main compartment of the backpack. In the top lid, and again, I don't usually keep him there. This is a battery pack. It goes probably in the waterproof bag, but now I just, so I don't forget things like last time. Bug spray. This is a mixture of all kinds of stuff that I made myself. I'm not sure if it works better, but yeah, mentally I think it's, yeah, I don't know. Then I have my sort of miscellaneous kit. This also doubles as a not a first aid kit, but like second or third, I guess. So here I got toothpaste, toothbrush, all that things. Things that I tend to do in the morning, I take my feet, take care of them. I have, if I want to take care of blisters, I have, you know, the small Compete things. For this is just one big pile now. I know, but yeah, you can use that. Have some alcohol gel and other things if you have a blister or you wounded yourself somehow. So again, I do take care of myself. And I got some deodorant, that's for the bugs. And then I got a couple of repair kits here for the sleeping mats, different sleeping mats I have. And then these pills here, some people bring filters so they can filter the water. I don't have a filter, maybe that's a better thing, I don't know. You guys tell me the pros and cons of that. These are tablets or pills that you put in the water, and then it will pretty much kill off all the bacteria that we don't want to digest or ingest. So yeah, I bring those in case I need to. But if it's a one-nighter or an overnighter, I usually bring enough water, or I go to a place where I know there is water nearby, or yeah. You can also boil water in the stove if you need to do that, and that's a great way of cleaning it out as well. On the sides here of this backpack, I have the snyltkasse and the spoon, the foldable spoon, so you always have that with you so you can eat. And again, like I mentioned, slightly bigger backpack. This got a rain cover as well because Sweden. And last but not least, same water bottle here. I know there's gonna be one person in the comment section that says that they roll up some duct tape around here. Don't worry about it. We're gonna make a 10-minute separate video about that where we talk about that. We're not. But yeah, you can obviously do that. That's a great thing, and duct tape works in many different ways. I got a comment also about cell phone. I obviously bring my cell phone with me wherever I go, but now you know. I didn't say that the last time. And then sometimes I tend to bring a multi-tool with me as well, just again because you never know. This is just a Leatherman. Great for all kinds of stuff, and again, this weighs a little bit more, but it's very versatile and you can repair things, and you know, works great. Do I dare to say it? I think I'm done. Oh yeah, one more thing I forgot. Hold on. A lot of folks out there, they're sponsored by Squarespace or NordVPN. I'm not. I don't think that would help me or any of you guys either. So maybe a little bit jealous there, I don't know. Anyways, I have a advent calendar from the brew company that they sent to me. Maybe I should mention what's in this package so you guys know what it's all about. There's 25 different flavors of coffee in here, so it takes you around the world. I'm sure they're really good, but it could be a nice gift to have for Christmas if you want to taste some different flavors of coffee. I'm thinking that the best comment or the best tip, or if you find a mistake here, you guys vote on that comment, and the best comment with the most votes wins. And we have up till let's say the last of November before that competition or the giveaway is over. So the comment with the most likes there will win this one. Not maybe this one. I hope, I'm just shooting from the hip here, but I'm hoping that they can send one to you. I'm gonna keep this one, but hope they can send one to you. We'll make sure that something happens there. All right, guys, I think that was it for this video. I had a really good time talking about this, and I really like that we're engaging here and everybody's learning, especially me, and we're growing together. So I really appreciate that. Yeah, I think this is it, at least for me. I've been good with this for years, but please, 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 please do tell me what you guys bring besides this. I have no idea what that could possibly be. I don't have a lot of comfort items. I obviously bring the camera, all those things that weighs up and takes up a bit more room. So you guys probably don't do that, but yeah, let me know. This is gonna be a good one. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. That's gonna be the multi-day backpack essential things. Stay tuned for that one. See you then.